Hi, I'm Elisha. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Trapper Max glue trap. Once you've taken your trap out of the packaging, you'll see that the trap looks like this. So keeping your plastic film in place for now, the first thing you'll need to do is place your trap flat on the table with the text side facing upwards. You'll notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 fold lines with arrows pointing at them. Fold along these lines away from the text in this fashion. Okay. So the result that you will receive is a 3D shape that looks something like this. Next, unfold your trap so it's flat on the table, and this time you want your plastic film facing upwards. Now, hold on to your plastic film with one hand and another, grip the side of the card quite firmly and pull your plastic film off in the opposite direction. This will reveal the sticky side of the glue trap, and at this point be really careful not to touch this as it's super sticky. Next, you'll need to open the packet containing your lure, which is a small yellow tablet-like circle. Remove the lure with your tweezers and place it on the sticky side of the trap, pressing it down to make sure that it sticks. This lure will attract any insects to your trap. Next, you need to find your barcode, which you will see is on the top right hand corner of your instructions sheet. Cut that one out, and remembering to include the number with scissors, and place that also with tweezers just next to your lure. Then what you need to do is take a photo of your trap and start your initial report using the My Pest Guide reporter. So follow instructions 5 through to 8 on your instruction sheet to do this, and these instructions are also available on the website in the pack that all participants would have received in their mail with their free traps. You'll then need to reassemble your trap, making it into the 3D shape again. Put it into your pantry up against a wall just like this. Next, continue with 11 to 13. These steps will help you to finalize your initial report. Happy pantry blitzing.